दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, today's video is going to be very amazing and informative for you all. As in this video, we are going to have a brief discussion about an amazing platform which is in the market with its unique concept, and here if you join then you can have a very good profit as well as you can make your future financially stable. So directly if we start this video, so the name of this system is Future Metaverse Coin and its official website is www.futuremetaversecoin.com. So friends, here first of all we are going to have a brief discussion about its complete profile. So this is such a platform wherein you can join and start the Bitcoin mining today itself. This is the highest paying Bitcoin mining pool and cloud mining provider in the market wherein you can start your mining Bitcoin today. And here, if we talk about the Bitcoin mining, so this is a peer-to-peer computer process which is used to secure and verify Bitcoin transactions. So friends, here as we are having a discussion about one metaverse platform, so it is very important for all of us to understand that what actually is metaverse crypto. So first of all, let me inform you all that metaverse is such a word which is formed by combining two words, and its actual meaning is beyond universe. It means that this is a virtual world where land, buildings, avatars, and even names can be bought and sold, wherein you can use cryptocurrency for this purpose. In this environment, people can wander around with friends, visit buildings, even you can buy goods and services from here. So friends, this system is built on the blockchain technology, where if we understand the blockchain, so it is a database that is shared across a network of computers, and the records and transactions once entered in the blockchain, then it is 100% safe and secure, and it is almost impossible to change anything in that one. So likewise, it is clear that this is a very safe and secure platform. So friends, now moving ahead, let me grab your attention towards one most important thing of this concept, that is the supply of future metaverse coin or the FMC. So its total supply is limited to 10 lakh coins, and here currently only 2.5 lakh coins are placed in ICU for sale purpose. Now moving ahead, finally let us discuss the complete business plan of this system. So here I am going to inform you everything from its joining to the different profits and earning which you can take from here. First of all, if we talk about its joining process, so you can join with Future Metaverse Coin team for free of cost. Yes, so you don't have to pay anything for joining here. Now after this, if you want to enjoy all incomes and benefits provided by the system, so for that you can purchase some coins on your desire according to this table. So now for that purpose, we are going to have a brief discussion about the purchase coin roadmap. So friends, here firstly, when you buy the coins between 1 to 10,000, then here the per coin value will be $0.5. Secondly, when you buy the coin between 10,001 to 50,000, then the per coin value will be $0.75. Third, when you purchase the coin between 50,001 to 1 lakh coin, then the per coin value will be $1. After that, on purchasing between 1 lakh 1 to 1 lakh 50,000 coin, you will get the value of per coin to be $1.25. After that, fifth, when you purchase the coin between 1 lakh 50,001 to 2 lakh coin, then here the per coin value will be $1.50. And at last, on purchasing the coin between 2 lakh 1 to 2 lakh 50,000, then the per coin value which you get from here is $2. So friends, likewise, as mentioned in the complete table, you can purchase the coin from here as per your desire, and after that you are eligible to take the benefit of each and every earning opportunity which is provided here. So moving ahead, if we talk about the very first type of income which you can get from this system, so that is the level bonus. So here, from a complete of 10 levels, you can earn a very good percentage of bonus for you as your complete profit. Here, if we talked about this in detail, so from level 1, you can get 5% of bonus. From level 2, you can get 2% of bonus. From level 3, you can get 1% of bonus, and then continuously from level 4 to level 10, in each level you will get 1% of bonus as your level bonus. Now after that, the second type of income which appears in the line is the staking bonus. So friends, its criteria is something like this, that you will get 10% income every month of the amount of coins you buy. That means at the time of coin purchasing, how much coin you buy, of that amount you will get 10% income every month as your amazing staking bonus. So after having a discussion about the types of income which you can get from here, let us discuss some terms and conditions which are issued by this system. So here, the first condition is there is no condition for the minimum purchase of coins. When we talk about the maximum purchase, so on one ID, the maximum purchase you can have is of $20. So friends, likewise, this was the complete details about the profile, business plan, benefits and profits which you can get from this amazing concept which is the future metaverse coin. If you have any query related to this concept, then you can contact on the description details. Other than that, for joining or any other purpose, you can directly visit on this website which is www.futuremetaversecoin.com. Thank you.